Let me show you how to solve this kind of math question on the board. You are given 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 minus 5 raised to the power of 0 equal to 0. And we are expected to find value of this x. We want to solve this question correctly. First of all, you need to start with this part of the equation. That's the first thing you need to do. Now here we have 5 raised to the power of 0. According to zero power law of indices, anytime a number is raised to the power of 0, the result is always equal to 1. So in place of this 5 raised to the power of 0, we are going to put 1. That's the first thing we need to do. So this is the solution. We have 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 1. Then minus, in place of this 5 raised to the power of 0, put 1. And everything equal to 0. The next thing we are going to do is to move this negative 1 to this side of the equation. When we do that, it is going to change to positive 1 when it crosses this equality sign. And we are going to be left with 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 and equal to, when this one crosses, changes to positive 1. Now, because this left-hand side of the equation is in exponential form in base 4, we are going to rewrite this right-hand side to also be in exponential form in base 4. The question now is, how do we do it? 1 here can be written as 4 raised to the power of 0. Why? Because 4 raised to the power of 0 is equal to 1. Remember, I told you that if a number is raised to the power of 0, it is equal to 1. So in place of this 1 here, we are going to write 4 raised to the power of 0. And you may be wondering, why am I using 4 raised to the power of 0? Why not another number? The reason is that we already have 4 as the base here. That's why we are using 4, so that the basis will be the same. So we are going to have 4 raised to the power of 2x minus 1 equal to, in place of this, we write 4 raised to the power of 0. Our aim is to make sure that the bases are the same. If you use another number here, it will not work because the bases are not going to be the same. So that's why we are using 4 here, raised to the power of 0, so that the two bases will be the same. Now that the bases are the same, we can cancel them. And we are going to be left with 2x minus 1 and equal to 0. Next thing we are going to do is to move this negative 1 to this side of the equation. When we do that, we are going to be left with 2x equal to, when this one crosses, changes to positive 1. Now, we are looking for x, not 2x, so we have to divide both sides by this 2 that is attached to this x. Divide by 2 and divide this by 2 also. This 2 here will cancel this 2. And we have x equal to 1 over 2. This is the answer to this question. I hope you find this video helpful.